Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you on how we can easily use Zoho CRM as a custom relationship management software. Before we start, write down below in the comments in what way are you going to use Zoho CRM, in what field are you actually in, so we can connect with other people in the comments. So the first thing that you can do is just add a full name, email, password. If you already created an account, completely skip this step. Okay, so I will add Marcus Stanelius. Now I will just copy the email address and I will add a password, and I will also add a phone number. Okay, I agree with terms and press enter. And let's just now wait until it loads, and we are going straight in. Now, first thing first, what we have to do, welcome Marcus Stanelius, company name Sun V LLC. What you can also choose and change is a current time zone. This is mine. Language, local is United, currency local is United States. Okay. Now what I can do is to simply load sample data. I will load it only to show you everything. So I will give you the walkthrough first, what you can see in Zoho, and then we will go step by step. We will be creating contacts, leads, accounts, everything together. So load sample data. And now, okay, skip. And here I got it. So when I come here to the home button, right now the sample data is going to be in progress. We will have to wait for a while, but I will give you the walkthrough what you can actually find in Zoho CRM. So the first thing first, in home, you would find the tasks, leads, amount by stage, everything, closing this month. So imagine this is like dashboard analytics of Zoho CRM. Now, then we're gonna find leads here, and in leads we will be creating a lead. From where did we get it? Social, web form. Then we're gonna create contacts here. Then we will look on accounts, deals, and I will show you how we can do it and how we can have a Kanban view or a list view. That will be really fun. Activities are like tasks, meetings, and calls. I will show you how you could do that too. Reporting, this is like advanced reporting comparing to home. This is something that you can do weekly or monthly, yearly, completely up to you. Analytics, again, these are the data that you would find also similar to home, but this is more complex. And then product, we'll be creating also the product. And marketplace, so I can use the product in deals. Let's say marketplace that I can integrate and connect with multiple apps, and here you can have like multiple modules that you can add. Now my recommendation is, if you would go to top right, you can see your account and everything, and here you can change the personal information, etc., and settings, date, format, etc. So definitely, if you want, check it out. And let's just start slowly and let me show you what you can do. Also, what I recommend is definitely verify your account. Verify. Access your account. And let me start. So the first thing first, what I'm going to show you is a home. What you can get here, how it works. When you come home, you're going to see the open tasks here, today's leads, what I have to do, amount by stage. This would be at the stage of the qualification, needs analysis, value proposition, identify decision, proposal price, negotiation. And as you can see, we're going to have it like this. And closing this month, what should I actually close? Now, when you would go to the top right, you can have classic view and just have a tasks, then manager's home. Or what you can do is to customize your home page. So I can see, when I click on a customize home page, I can come here in setup, customize home page, and go to top right, click new home page. And then I can move, let's say, how it's going to look like. You can add multiple things here, so you can even move it. So let's say I'm only interested in deal inside. This is what I want to have in my homepage, deals inside. I want to see revenue this month. I want to have deals created, deals in pipeline, and revenue lost. Also, I want to have amount by stage and amount by lead source or deals by stage. Now I can click save and share. And I'm going to have like deals homepage and save and share. And description, I'm not going to give it any description at all. Then click save. Now let's just wait. And here I have it. So I would go to home. Then, as I can see, I got deals homepage. And this is how you can set up your home homepage. The more you're gonna use Zoho CRM, the more you're gonna see what you want to have in your home when you're gonna click on Zoho CRM, what you want to see. And this is how it works. So this is the Zoho CRM home. Now let's go further and let me show you how we can simply add leads in Zoho CRM. This is pretty simple. You can also filter it on your left side. And now you see that you can filter it, today's leads, unread leads, mailing labels, junk leads, and let's create it. So I'm going to click here on the created lead on the top right. Of course, let me go back one step and let me show you. When I'm going to click on an arrow, you can import leads or notes. Just remember that you can also import leads from, let's say that you are using HubSpot CRM. Create a lead. Lead owner is me. First name, let's say Marcus. Last name, lead. Company Sun is going to be Sun Lead Company. Email address, and I would add it. And I can add a title, fax, phone number, if you have one, mobile. And now lead status. What kind of lead status it is? Attempted to contact, contact in future, contacted, junk lead, lost lead. Let's say attempted to contact. Lead source. Let's say if it's a cold call, employee referral. Online store, I'm going to press cold call. But again, you choose yours. Let's say Twitter, Facebook ads, etc. Number of employee, let's say this is a lead. I don't have any. Skype ID, like the Marcus lead doesn't have any. Skype ID, none. Industry, in what industry he's operating the lead. Storage equipment, annual revenue, let's say 100K. Rating, active. And now email opt-out, secondary email. Email opt-out means that if they are like, okay, that you're going to send the email there. And then you can have the street, state, city, zip code. So I can simply add a street. Let's say it's going to be I'm just like making these things up for the tutorial. You just add here the address information and you got it. So this is Marcus Tonelius. You can also change the lead image here. And if you have the picture, you just add it here. I'm going to add a perfect picture of Baby Yoda. Don't laugh. I know. And then click save. Now voila, here we got our first lead. Now when you would click on the lead here, and we're gonna click on leads, and I'm going to be and search for my own lead, which is Marcus leads. You would find it in leads. You're gonna see the attachments. You can add products. So we are going to go step by step, but you can also add things to your leads. You don't have to go to, let's say, activities and add a task there. You can simply click on leads and click plus task. But I want to show you how you're going to do it in activities for this lead, and then we would find it right here. But I just want to let you know that you can compose email, add campaigns and everything directly in your lead. And then you see the timeline, what was actually happening in Marcus lead. And what you can do is on the top right, you can send email to Marcus lead and fill everything and click send. You can also schedule it if you want to, or what you can do, you can convert it. So as you can see, convert lead, create new account, sound lead company, create new content, Marcus lead. So what actually happened was that we have a lead. And right now in that lead, we had a company Sun lead company, which is going to be new account, and new contact is going to be Marcus lead. So this is from lead that we had, is going to happen a company, and then it's going to happen also contact. So the name from our lead is going to be in contact. The name of the company is going to be in company. The account. So that's how it actually works. You can also create a new deal for this account. So let's say that from the lead, we're going to have a new contact, new account, and I can also create a new deal. So this is the whole process. So not only, let me show you. Where did I put it? Not only that you're going to have the lead and you're going to have the contact and company, you're going to have also for yourself a deal. So this is how you convert it. And then this is like all you need. So this is how we do it. I'm not going to convert it yet because I want to show you how we can directly add a contact. We can add and we can work with it in the end of the video. So in which I'm going to show you how we can work with leads. Now let me go further and let me show you how we can add contacts. And then we will get back to the after end of the video, we will show you how we can convert it. When I'm going to click on a contact and how we can actually add a contact in Zoho CRM. I'm going to click create a contact on the top right again. Marcus Tonelius, first name, this is the contact owner. First name Marcus, this is a contact. Lead source, let's say this is going to be a cold call because it's not a lead. It was a lead source that is like already a contact. Vendor name, if you don't have a vendor, you don't have to add it here. But what you can do is to simply click a new vendor. Vendor name, let's say Marcus vendor. Phone, email, and save and associate. Right now it will be directly in my vendor name. Account name, I can find a account company, but if I don't have it, I can directly on my contact create the new account. So I can have account name. So let's say this is going to be Sun contact company. Phone, website, you would add it, click save. Now I would just find it right here, choose it, voila. Then you add department in which they are working, the contact in that account, phone number, home phone, fax, date of birth. You can add it. Assist phone, email opt-out. On the right side, as you can see, you can simply add an email, title, phone, other phone, mobile, Skype ID, secondary email, everything. Then you're going to see also the addressing information in which you're going to have the mailing street, mailing city, mailing state, mailing zip, mailing country. So that's what you do it. And then you're going to see also description information right here. Now, when you have it and when we have the contact, you can also change the profile picture. And when you fill everything for the contact, let's go to top right and let's click save. Now, as you can see, we got our first contact. You can see also the contact company. You can add tags, and this is really similar comparing when we had lead. Like the whole concept, how it looks like, it's really similar to lead. You can see the notes here. You can add attachments to this contact. You can add deals. You can add open activities. We will get to those. Closed activities, products, cases, quotes, sales orders, purchase orders, everything you can add directly here. Even invoices. I can simply click new and start creating invoices here. So that's how many things you can actually do for your contact. Now, when we finish the contact, let's go for the account. Let's find the account. Then we will go to deals, activities. We will look also how we can work with products, quotes, invoices. So we have the contact. Let's click on account. And how we can actually add account. And then we will go back in the end for the contacts, for the accounts, for the leads. So I'm going to click here on the create account. We already created account for the Sun company. But as you can see, look at this. Account owner, Marcus Tonelius. And you can fill everything here. Account name, so this can be Sun account without contact yet. And I can have a parent account, fax, phone, everything, ticker symbol, ownership, employees, account type, competitor, data, annual revenue, 200K. I can have address information right here written. So you would fill everything what you see for your contact, for the company that you know, from the rating, etc. And when I'm going to click save, and let me show you something. We have the Sun account right now. I can create contacts directly for this account. So I can, let's say, I can do it this way. And then you see the account name is directly added. Or what I can do, I can simply add a contact, go to top right, click contact. And here I'm going to add account name, Sun, and choose Sun Contact Company. Opa, no. Sun account. Look at this. See? And this is how we can do it. Really easy, really simple. So I hope the leads, contacts, and accounts really are easy to understand. Now, if you can have any questions about these three things and what you want to do with it, let me down below in comments so I give you some kind of advice, okay? Now, you can also, really important guys, you can have it as list view, as a Kanban view. You can always change the views here, don't forget it, okay? Now let's go further for the deals and how you can add the deals in Zoho CRM. Here I would go to top right and I'm going to click create a deal, or I can import the deals. So let's create a deal. Now as you can see, deal owner is me. Deal name, let's say this is a Sun deal. Account name, let's say I'm going to choose the Sun, and we have the Sun Contact Company. Type, if it's an existing business or a new business, let's say this is going to be a new business. Expected revenue, we have the read only field now. Amount, when I'm going to have it, let's say on the top right, it's going to be 10,000 from this deal, and expected revenue automatically changed. Lead source, if it's going to be your deal, from cold card, from partner, from public relationship, trade show. Let's say this was an type existing business Sun deal from a trade show that I got for the expected revenue of $1,000. Contact name, look at this. I can simply choose Marcus and choose the Marcus contact. Closing date, let's say it's going to be Friday. Stage, if it's a qualification, needs analysis, value proposition, choose which stage it is. Of course, guys, you can edit these stages. You can always edit those. So let's say this is going to be a value proposition. And now, or let's say proposal price quote, and probability, you can always change it. So probability for this stage is going to be 75% or 50%. You choose that. Next step, you write here, campaign source. If you have a campaign, you would find it right here. So that's how we do it. And we can also get to the campaigns and how we can do it. Then let's go to top right, click save. Look at this. In a moment when we have the deal right here, we can see that, okay, at what stage are we in right now? Qualification needs analysis, value proposition, identifying decision makers, proposal price quotes. What you can do, you can, of course, look at this, expected revenue. You can always skip those steps. You can say close lost, close won. Then when I'm going to scroll down below, best time for call, email, you would write it right here. Contact person, details that we fill out. And then you're going to see again, same style. Stage history, expected revenue, probability. And based on the probability, you're going to see it right here. Competitors, open activities. You can also even add competitors, competitor name, website. Product, you can add products for this deal. Sales orders, we can add it, quotes, emails, cases. Now, what I'm going to show you now is how you can add a product, and then we will go further to activities. So when we have the deal right now and you create a deal that you're going to have, you can, let's say, close lost or close lost to competition. That's up to you what you're going to choose. Now let's click here on a product. And if you have a product, simply create a product. So let me just write it here. And now how to add product. I'm going to create a product. I'm going to add a product owner, me, code. Product name, let's say sandpaper. Vendor name, that we have Marcus vendor. Manufacturer, which one it is. Product category, hardware, software, CRM applications. You would add it based on, again, what kind of product categories you have. And I'm going to show you also how you can change the deals stages right after the product. You can have the sales end date, support end date. You can have it or no. Unit price, let's say 100, commission rate 150. Stock information, if it's going to be a usage unit, box, or quantity in stock, handler. You add it right here. Quantity ordered, reorder level, quantity in demand. You fill everything here. Then I would click save. Now what I'm going to show you now is how we can edit the deals and also for your project. So I will go to the settings to the top right and let me find it right here. So company details, users control, Zoho directory, channels. And I think it's right here for the pipelines under customization. And you can add a new pipeline. And I hope I will find it. Like, where is it possible to automations? No, general. Yeah, I will find it. Chat, signal, telephony, canvas. Because when I'm going to click on the deals, let's say like king here, stage, and I'm going to like even Google it right now. Oh, I can see clearly right here. Oh, it's right here. I think I got it. See, okay. Leads, contacts, module names. Deals. Summary. Yep, we will get to it, guys. So I will find it. Let's go to activities and I will try to find it to the end of the video. So where you can actually find, if you know where to find it, definitely write down below in the comments. I'll be happy to help, like get it, because right now I can't really find it, but okay, I got it. Finally. Oh my God, it took me so long. Customization, guys, when you go to modules and fields, now when you're gonna click on, you will click on deals and standard. And right here, you're gonna have it. So deal information. Then you're gonna have the stage here. And then stage probability mapping. Look at this stage name and you edit it. And here you can find the stages probability and how we can edit like on what stage it's actually in. This is where you will find it. So thanks God that I found it. So that's how we do it. And when you have the product, let's click to activities. And here I'm going to simply like add activities and how we can also work with activities. So you're gonna see the task here and you can switch between list view and Kanban view. I can add a task, Marcus Tonelius subject, let's say this is going to be lunch, due date, under Tuesday, contact, son, Marcus, contact, Account sound account company, I can change it. Status, if it's deferred, in progress. Priority, high. Repeat, if you want to repeat it, you can repeat it. You can add also reminder for the task, for your email or etc. Then click save. And as you can see, we have the task right here. And this is a deal summary on the right side, because for that contact, for the company, we have a deal summary. Therefore, when I'm going to click on the deals, and I'm going to, like, where is our deal? Let me show you. Opa. Let me go back. Let me go back. Total accounts. Marcus contact. And I have a Sun deal. Let's see, contract roles, activities, and we would find it for the, and we can like add a task also for this here. So let's say I'm going to add a subject, task deal, due date, hide, owner. I can add a reminder and everything. Priority high, save. And I can see clearly that activity for this deal, but what I'm seeing right now, on when I'm going to click on activities, and we would have, let me go on list view here. Lunch. We can see that it's for the Marcus contact, and the Marcus contact got the deal summary right here. So that's how we do it. And you can also add links for your lunch, etc. Same thing, we can add also meeting here. So I can, next to the task, I gotta see the meeting, and I can add a meeting here, and I can make it online. If I'm going to make it online, so we can do it. New meeting. Again, you had host related to. You can add participants from your contact list. That's what you can do. That's pretty straightforward and easy. And then you can also click done. And done. So that's how you can create meetings, and you can also add a call. So again, for contact, subject, call, relate to, call purpose, prospecting, relate to, account, deal, call type, if it's outbound, inbound, and you can have the description. So that's how we do, like choose a contact here. I would have Marcus. Marcus contact. Look at this, and I can start calling right here. See? That's how we can do it. So you can start calling directly from your call and from the activities. And this is how we do it. It's like really easy, really simple. Now, when we have the activities, I hope you understood everything what I explained. Let's go further for the reports and what you can find here. In reports, as I mentioned, it's really simple, really easy. You can go and click create a report, and primary module, let's say contacts. And then we have the child module, activities. Then I can continue and look at this, account name, contact owner, subject. This will be the subject of the task. And this is how we do it. I know you need to really play around it with reporting. You can select today's sales. Or you can get sales this month. Then I can go to top right and export it. And I can have it as a PDF or CSV or Excel. I'm going to click on it, and voila, here I have the report. So that's how we can work with reporting. If you have any questions about reporting, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. but this is how you can work with reporting. Then again, analytics. This is what you can do and how we can work with. You can add a component, chart, KPI, target meter. So let's say I'm going to funnel, standard, component name, you would add it here, and you can really play around it. You can even delete it, lead analytics, deal insights, activity stats, and you can find all the necessary and important analytics directly in here. So that's how we do it, and that's pretty much how it's done. And then that's pretty much it. I'm thinking right now what I would show you also, that I can show the campaigns, but I'm going to choose like a completely new tutorial on how we can work with campaigns. Just write Zoho campaign tutorial and you would find my video how we can do it. Maybe I will link it to the description if I don't forget. And then also you can have the quotes. You can create those. Let me down below in comments if you like to see the sales quotes, the purchase orders, the invoices, and I can do it for you. Now also what I wanted to show you is when I was like mentioning with the contacts and deals and everything, when I'm going to click on a contact and I get a Sun account company here, I can go and scroll down below and add everything here. As you can see, we got the contacts, we got the deals, we got the open activities, we got the emails, the closed activities, the products. I can add a product and choose a product, or I can add a new one. See? I can add a quotes, sales order, invoices for this company. So everything can be done under the company itself. And that's pretty much it, how you use it. You can also add a cases right here. So I think and I hope you understood how to use Zoho CRM and what you can actually expect from it and how it actually works to like create whatever you need. And this was pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, any question at all, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support. Like you know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah. Thank you for being here, thank you for being here, thank you for being you. This was a Zoho CRM tutorial, how to use Zoho CRM, Zoho CRM guide, Zoho CRM, just Zoho CRM, you know, Zoho CRM beginner's guide, how to use Zoho CRM, Zoho CRM tutorial, Zoho CRM best tutorial on this planet. I know that I got missed a little bit in the settings, so when I'm going to click on the settings, you can go on the customizations, modules and fields, deals, standard, and then stage probability mapping, and you can edit all the stages right here. So thank you very much, guys. I like you. Thank you for being here and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.